In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tracking categories in Xero. Tracking categories help you segment your income and expenses so you can run more meaningful reports. Think departments, locations, or projects. Setting them up only takes a minute, and a little planning here pays off in cleaner, more insightful reporting later. Once you're signed into Xero and on the dashboard, start by clicking Accounting in the main navigation. This opens the accounting menu where you can adjust the way your books are structured. From there, select accounting settings. If you don't see this option, you may need the right user permissions, so check with your administrator. Inside accounting settings, choose tracking categories. This page lists any categories you already have and is where new ones are created. Click Add tracking category to begin. Xero allows 2 active tracking categories at a time, each with as many options as you need, so choose something broad that you'll reuse across many transactions. In the name field, enter the overall category name. Examples include department, location, or project. Keep the name clear and singular so it reads well on reports. Avoid abbreviations that might confuse teammates and think about how you'll want to filter results later. Next, enter your category options. These are the specific values you'll pick when coding invoices, bills, and journals. For example, marketing, sales, and operations. If your category is department or north, central, and south, if it's location. Use consistent capitalization and keep each option short and distinct. If you're migrating from spreadsheets or another system, mirror the labels you already use to maintain consistency across historic and new data. Fewer, well-defined options are better than a long list that leads to miscoding. Before saving, take a moment to proofread spelling and check for overlapping or duplicate options. Clean, unambiguous names reduce errors and rework. Don't worry if you're not finished brainstorming. You can come back to add, rename, or archive options later without affecting historical transactions. Archiving is safer than deleting because it preserves past records and keeps your reports intact. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new tracking category appears in the list and is ready to use across your organization. From now on, when entering transactions, you'll see your category and options available to tag your data, making it easier to slice reports like profit and loss by the dimensions that matter to you. And that's it. Your tracking categories are set up in Xero. With a thoughtful name and a tidy set of options, you'll enable faster coding and clearer, more actionable reports.